Welcome to another Handyman Leatherman video. Today we're going to be using a little bit of seafoam action on the handy hauler. Let's see what happens. The handy hauler, we're going to put some seafoam in the gas and some seafoam in the oil. Now, if you buy it in small containers, they're like 16 ounces, and it says you're supposed to put 1 ounce in per fuel. But when you have a tank that holds 30, this is what you do. You buy this gallon, and then this quart jar has measurements on it, so we're going to fill this up and pour it in. So, a little over 24 ounces. We're going to pour that in.
Don't drop it.
Now that's the second one I put in there, so that's 50 ounces. It says for serious action, you could add 2 or more ounces per gallon. So I put 50 ounces in there. So it's not 100% as far as 2 ounces per gallon, but it's close enough. Okay, I got approximately 6 ounces in there. This truck holds 5.7, 5.8, almost 6. So we're gonna put 6 ounces of the seafoam in the engine oil. Okay, so now we're do the third installment. First I added the seafoam to the engine oil, and then I put it in the gas. The next thing we're going to do is called top engine cleaner lube. And so we are going to spray this into the intake. So you disconnect the air where the air box goes, and we're going to install a hose, and then we're going to spray it as the engine's running. We already started the engine and got it warm. Now we're going to spray this in there, and it says it helps remove harmful deposits from critical engine areas that normal injector cleaner does not get. So we're going to spray this in, see if we can clean out this engine as best as we can. So I've already pulled the screw on this, and then we just kind of slide this box out, and in here is the throttle body. That's the injector. That's where we're going to be spraying it in. Comes with this container here. You're supposed to put it in to where the flap, top side, right up there, and you're supposed to put the boot back on and spray it in. Let's see what we can do. Slide it out just a little bit more, right there. There we go. So we slid the boot back in. So we're going to connect our spray can. Okay, so now I'm going to have the handy wife start it. She's going to put it to 2,000 RPMs. And we're going to spray till we're completely out, which should be around 7 minutes, it said. Okay, handy wife. Oh, man. Now I need to let it sit for 10 minutes. They call it a hot soak. Then we'll start it up again and take it for some normal driving. And we'll see if it helps this truck run a little bit better. Well, we let it hot soak for 10 minutes. And then we took it for a drive. I had to go to Home Depot to pick up some wood. So it's about 30 miles away. So we drove there and drove back. And on the way home, the check engine light went off. And if you've been following, I've been battling with O2 sensors, replacing them, cleaning them. I even bought a spacer to pull the O2 sensor back because I thought the engine is probably burning oil, and that's what's causing my O2 sensors to keep throwing up light signals. So I finally that's why I did all that seafoam, just to see if it would do anything. The truck's got 280,000 miles, so I figured it needed something. So we've only done about 1/4 of a tank of gas so far since I added it in there. So time will tell how everything goes. Plus, I've also got it to oil. So it seems like it's actually done something. So I haven't noticed any feel as far as power related yet. But that check engine light going off is a big plus in my book. So, because I'm just like, how do I get this thing to stay off? But anyway, so hey, that spray can, I tell you what, I was tired of that halfway through that can. I don't know how many minutes that was, but my arm was killing me. But we figured out how to do it. Not extremely hard, but it seems to be pretty effective. So if you have a little bit of trouble, you want to do something, I got that spray can off Amazon, and then I bought that gallon of seafoam from my O'Reilly's. I think it was $50 for the whole gallon. So, because we double dosed this truck, and then I did my van, the wife's car, and my little Nissan pickup. So I was able to use multiple vehicles. So that's a handy thing about buying a whole gallon, because the regular containers you buy are 16 ounces, and most vehicles, except for the wife's car, are over 16 gallons of gas. So anyways, I hope this helped you guys. Go try it yourself. Maybe it'll help you guys with some stuff. And until I see you guys again, stay out of trouble and go outside and create something and have fun working on your own projects.